Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button for a couple of seconds, basically until you see the logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Okay, and after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up or down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will need to download and install the HUAWEI Health application on your iPhone. So, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in HUAWEI Health. And tap on search. Scroll through the list of apps, find the HUAWEI Health application with this icon, tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. If you see any pop-ups about permissions on the screen, you can allow them or deny them. And this is the permission for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. Once you're done with the permissions, tap on Next, Agree, and you should see the health page of the app. Now tap on Devices, tap on Add. If you're asked to log in into HUAWEI ID account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Register to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna enter the email and password. Okay, and after you log in, you will see more. You will see this page. Tap on Next, Agree again. Here we can tap on Let's Go, and now we can allow the app to read or write some features like heart rate and stuff like that, sleep. So if you want to track your heart rate, your sleep and stuff like that, you need to tap on the switch next to them to enable them, and then you need to tap on Allow. I'm just gonna tap on Turn on All and tap on Allow, but you can customize it to your liking. And once you're done with the health permissions, you will see the health page again. Tap on Devices, and as you can see here, we have the list of devices previously connected, and the HUAWEI Watch Fit is here. Let me actually tap on it and remove it so we can pair our device again. So let's unpair it. If you see this pop-up about the Bluetooth permission, make sure to tap on OK, this one is required. Okay, and once we unpair the HUAWEI Health, come on. Oh, I need to check the box and then tap on OK. Okay, so basically once you open the devices page, you should see the page, and on it you should see the Add button. Tap on the Add button. The app will start scanning for the nearby devices, and it should find your HUAWEI Watch Fit. Tap on the Link button. Tap on the check mark on the watch to confirm. Tap on the Pair on your iPhone. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Allow or deny the permission for the location, and allow or deny the permission to link the contacts. Here you can check the box to auto download the updates, and then tap Done if you want to. And then you should see the device page for your HUAWEI Watch Fit, and you should be able to use your watch, which means that the devices are paired together, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.